Hey guys, welcome back. Super busy here at the shop, but Jimmy and Seth said we had to come and check on the progress on the 67 Rust to restoration. So we're headed to EB Speed and Custom, check on SEMA build 2025. Come on, let's go. We're heading to Nicholasville, Kentucky. It's about a half an hour from our shop. If you're just joining us, Jimmy Estes and Seth Bricken are the EB Speed Shop team that's been helping us get our 67 Camaro ready for the SEMA show in Las Vegas this November. We still got a lot of work to do, and it's going to be tight. We are a little nervous, but we're sure that we've got the right team for the job. Today we're delivering the hood. It's got a fresh coat of sea frost green. Looks great. We're going to go check on their progress. We got Seth and Jimmy here, and wow. Ben said, let's go to SEMA. Why not? I think we got enough time. And I said, well, I think you're crazy, but here we are. And I believe these two guys are going to bail us out. We're looking hopeful right now at this stage in the game. Engine in, trans in, exhaust in, rear end alignment a little bit smoother.
It's straight.
Yeah,
it's straight
she's
now.
true. Should track true.
Should track better.
Anything exceptionally easy or difficult in the last few weeks?
Exhaust was great.
Exhaust was a thumbs up.
Amazing. For
Yeah,
3 inch.
Yeah,
Hooker
3
did-
inches pretty big.
Hooker
And,
did a good job.
Fits good. Tucked up nice.
that's a hooker kit out the box, and you didn't weld anything on that one. It's a bolt together.
Yep.
And it fit. I thought it fit amazing. I was a little nervous. I said 3 inches too big. We're going to be rattling, and
Worked out perfect.
they said no worries at all. Transmission is
Transmission's good.
cross member fit perfect.
Cross members in. Everything's in. We just got to let it down, measure for drive shaft, get it ordered.
Yeah.
Yep.
No
Drive shaft still to come. We're getting ready to set the hood, and I believe we're going to probably have to get the hacksaw out and make a 1/2 inch here or there. It's going to be close. We're praying on that one.
We have primer.
We do have paint. Valve covers on. You got the hydro boost.
Hydro boost
Yep.
on. That's a nice kit.
I'm shocked how clean, and same thing, plenty of room. Went on pretty smooth, no headaches. You didn't cuss real loud?
Inside's still to go, but it looks like it'll be okay.
QA1 upper and lower A-arms back on.
Yeah, you got the coilover kit, sway bar, rear shocks.
So we got the valve covers on?
They went on real slick. It's good quality. I will say they're nice and heavy, and
Yeah. Give you that original look.
turned
Pop
out
the hood,
real
it's not
nice.
going to look too crazy.
No, you might have to do a little bit of a double take.
Yeah.
She's pretty.
Radiator lined up pretty slick.
Yeah.
No issues.
Yep. Still got to wire it, but if everything's good.
Wire the fan, yep.
We got headliner going in hopefully next few days, hopefully early next
soon,
week.
Yeah.
And then we can kind of start finishing up on some of the insides.
About 6 wires, they should be ready to start. It's turned out pretty well to be aftermarket parts.
Absolutely, whole thing aftermarket, and from our shop basically. So it can be done.
And the whole idea is to say you can build this car bottom up.
It can be done, without a doubt. If you have the right people, few prayers here and there, and it can be done. I think we're going to make it.
We just need some glass and a headliner and throw some seats in it.
Oh yeah, we're going to be in Las Vegas with champagne and strawberries.
It'll be, it should be ready.
We're excited, man.
Yeah, I mean, everything's going real well.
Is there anything that you that you still need, that you know we're in need of?
Did you bring this chin spoiler?
He brought
I brought a few
three
to choose
different
from.
ones, yeah.
Okay.
See which one you like the best.
Okay.
Brought a rear spoiler if you want to go that crazy. I'm not a super huge fan, but hold it up there and see what you think. You can you make the call. What else you think we need besides another month?
Well, we're ready to plumb these other 2 AC lines and be done with that. The AC should be done except for a few wires here and there. And then after that, we finish up the starter wires, what goes to it, key on stuff and all that. You see where we put your Holley computer system under there.
In the glove box, yes sir.
Yeah, it was a task to get in there, but
I think it's perfect. All right guys, thank you again. Wanted to give a super huge shout out to Seth and Jimmy, EB Speed and Custom. We would not be here if it was not for these guys. And stay tuned. Hopefully next time will be the firing up of the engine. EB Speed Shop though, check them out.